Can you believe it? To create this sweet pure delight, the workers have to battle beside gigantic fiery pans. With temperatures reaching hundreds of degrees Celsius, massive mountains of sugarcane bagasse, presses running at full capacity. This isn't a modern factory, it's the power of traditional handmade processes in India, where tons of sugarcane are transformed every day using nothing but experience and bare hands. Today, join factory tour. How it's made as we explore the full sweat-soaked, heartfelt journey to produce this special handmade sugarcane sugar. Let's get started. Welcome to peak sugar-making season in the countryside. For those irresistible batches of fragrant jaggery, it all starts with the finest sugarcane stalks. Harvest time kicks off. Farmers wield incredible skill and strength, chopping down each cane plant. They cut super close to the base. Why so low? That's where the cane stores its highest sugar concentration. Pure sweetness, jackpot at the roots. A massive haul of cane piles up in no time. Now, cleaning the cane. Workers swiftly strip away all the dry leaves and especially hack off the green tops. Those tips hold barely any sugar and tons of impurities. Gotta go for that pure flavor. After field prep, the cane loads onto specialized transport carts. Raw materials arrive at the workshop. The dump truck slowly unloads tons of fresh cane. This fuels a full day's epic production. First processing step. A worker feeds cane non-stop into the conveyor belt. This belt heads straight to an industrial shredder, designed to smash the tough, fibrous chain structure. Powering this beast, a heavy-duty motor and belt system that's pure muscle. And here's the heart of the operation, the central control panel, pumping energy through the whole workshop. Shredded cane now, fluffy bagasse rides up a second conveyor belt. It feeds into the star of the show, the roller press crusher. Boom, success, a river of pure, golden sugarcane juice gushes out. Every drop of this liquid gold gets captured instantly. Once squeezed dry, the spent bagasse travels out on another belt. It all stacks into a massive pile outside. Zero waste here. This bagasse fuels the boilers, looping heat right back into the process. Genius recycling in action. That golden juice now pours into a gigantic cast iron pan. This is where the magic ignites. Concentration and purification begin. As the juice boils, a thick foam rises. Master workers skim it off meticulously, non-stop. Keeping that fierce boil, it demands intense heat from below. Skimming foam is the secret to ultra-pure, clean-tasting syrup. No bitterness allowed. Fuel source, the very bagasse we just pressed burning. It creates the fire that drives everything. Under hundreds of degrees, water evaporates wildly. The whole workshop vanishes in a steamy haze. Workers load more dry bagasse. Fire tenders feed the flames constantly. Nothing goes to waste in this satisfying loop. Boiling and thickening drags on for hours. Workers stir relentlessly in the hot, humid chaos, preventing any scorch. Pure dedication to that perfect sweetness. The make or break moment. How do they know it's ready? The head craftsman drips hot syrup into cold water. The ultimate test. Hot syrup hits cold water and hardens instantly. He feels the texture, judging softness and firmness by touch. Just with his hands, he nails the perfect concentration. This priceless skill, decades of experience turning raw juice into confectionery gold. Test passed. The juice has fully transformed into a thick, amber-like syrup block, pure concentrated bliss. The supersaturated pan moves off. The heat-controlled cooling, or beating, starts now. One worker scrapes and stirs vigorously with a giant paddle, whipping in air to cool it fast and trigger even crystallization. Watch the magic unfold. Look at this incredible change. The amber liquid clouds up, thickens, and lightens to a pale golden hue. Others scrape crystallized edges with blades, pushing them centerward. Liquid vanishes completely. Hello to a hot, moist, clumpy jaggery mash. Speed is key. Workers shovel the steaming mass into a clean, coarse cloth. Two lift this dozens of kilos batch carefully. They dump the crystallized syrup onto a huge cooling tray lined with bamboo mats. Air flows through, drying it perfectly for that satisfying crunch. Race against hardening. A worker spreads the pliable mass flat with a wooden rake before it sets. Final shaping. Long divider, bars press deep, creating parallel rows. Bars pull out, leaving clean cuts. This massive slab cools naturally for hours until rock solid. Our reward, a pure, golden jaggery block bursting with rich flavor from plant to sweet treat. We hope this dive into traditional sugarcane crafting sparked awe and deep respect for the craft. If you're hooked on this labor of love, share the video far and wide. Hit subscribe to join more mind-blowing production adventures. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.